Hello ladies and gentlemen, I just got my new Framon machine here, and I didn't see very many videos on YouTube here that showed the new double-sided vise here and how to use it and what kind of keys it holds and that sort of thing and how it holds it. So I thought I would do that for you today. So I'm going to take the normal draw off here. And it says in the paper that comes with it that this side is for cutting automotive keys. And the other side is for cutting the, let's see here, what is it? That's not the right paper. This is the right paper. Oh, okay. It says, the IC interchangeable core keys go on this other side here. But I'm mainly interested in the automotive side of it. So that's what we're going to look at today. So, put that on there. Ouch. Where'd that? There. I should go. There it is. Alright. Now, on the other side of this vise, let's see if I can show you here. It's got this this little tab right here, and I'm going to have that. I'm going to screw that in, tighten it in right there, so to use as my tip stop. So, alright, where's the vise? It's right there. Okay. Alright, so let me tighten that down so that can be my tip stop for the automotive keys here that I'm going to use. Alright. Now, let's see. Let's start with a 875 key. Let's see how that fits in there and holds. Get it in there, tighten it down. Okay, that seems to hold in there pretty good. It's just not going anywhere. Alright, let's try GM39. Yeah, that's a GM39. B102 key. Put that in there. Flatten it down. Tighten it down. Alright. That holds in real good. Alright, now let's try one of those GM37 keys. Got a little deeper warding. See how that works. Okay. That's nice and tight. Alright. I've got a Honda HD 103 key. Shoulder gauged. See how that holds. Alright, that holds pretty good. So good so far. Here's a Nissan DA31 key. And that's also shoulder gauged. And that's holding it really good. No shim needed. Okay, now I forgot to bring a blank TR47 key in here to show, but I did try that earlier and it holds really good. But what I wanted to know is if it was going to hold it to cut the other side or not. So here I've got a Toyota TR47 key that's cut. I'm going to put that in, and it's a tip gauge, and line it up and tighten it down. Get a little, whoops, it's not quite lined up there. Alright. Then, like that, it does tip a little bit when you have cuts on the other side. So even though this is the double wide jaw, you can use the shim. It's tipping down, so we need to put it on the bottom side here. Line it up and tighten down. Okay, with that shim, whoops, I'll tighten it down a little bit more. With that shim, it's in there tight enough to cut the key. It's pretty tight. So, and I did cut this key using that method, and it works fine in the ignition. So that's about all I have to show you so far on my Framon 2 machine. Thank you.